Start at the top and work down so you do not recontaminate cleaned areas. Begin by gathering personal protective equipment, including gloves and eye protection and a cleaning kit with an all-purpose cleaner, a hospital-grade disinfectant labeled for the pathogens you need to control, single-use microfiber cloths or disposable wipes, toilet bowl brush, a bucket for cleaning solution, a mop, and trash liners. Remove trash and any loose items from counters and stalls so surfaces are exposed and visible. High dust vents, light fixtures, and upper shelf surfaces should be dusted first using a microfiber duster or cloth so particles fall to the floor where you will clean them last. Wipe mirrors and all glass with an appropriate cleaner and a lint-free cloth to avoid streaks, and check for spots with a backlight angle by moving your head to see missed areas. For sinks, faucets, and counters, apply an all-purpose cleaner, scrub faucets, and drain surrounds with a small brush. Then rinse or wipe with a damp cloth to remove residues before applying a disinfectant to meet required dwell time. Toilets and urinals, get a brush scrub inside the bowl using a bowl cleaner, spray the external surfaces and seat, and allow disinfectant dwell time before wiping with a clean cloth. Always use separate color-coded cloths for toilets versus sinks to avoid cross-contamination. Common mistakes are rushing the dwell time on disinfectants, which leaves pathogens alive. Read the product label and keep the surface visibly wet for the full stated time using a spray, foam, or wet wipe method, and reapply if it dries too quickly. Another error is using the same cloth for multiple tasks, which spreads soil from the dirtiest places to cleaner areas. Use single-use disposables or clearly labeled color-coded microfiber cloths, and store used textiles in a sealed container until laundered. A third frequent issue is missing high touch points like light switches, door handles, and stall latches at the end of the clean, which negates earlier work. Finish by wiping those points with a disinfectant wipe or spray, and allow the surface to air dry for contact time. We run bighomeprojects.com, where we connect homeowners with local contractors and provide resources about home maintenance, including restroom cleaning best practices. Our site helps contractors find job opportunities and participate in our discussion community so both homeowners and service providers can ask questions, share tips, and learn from one another.